Hello everyone, this video is to help you install the Revit 2026 library. So first of all, you have to log in on the Autodesk website using your credential, that is your email address. Alright, so your email address or the account you have created while installing Revit 2026. Then you have to go to the product. For example, yours is going to be Revit. Alright, so you've got Revit here. Just below the install button, you've got view details. So you click on the view details. Alright, and then you go up. Alright, so here you're going to see available downloads, update, extensions, plugins. So we have to go to libraries and we need to look for international English but UK. Alright, so you have to look for international English, South Africa, Sweden, Czech, Korea, Brazil. Where is it? Okay, here it is. UK English content for Revit 2026. Now, if you have installed Revit 26, then you have to look for UK English content for Revit 2026. If you have installed Revit 2025, then you have to look for UK English content for Revit 2025. Once you identify the library file you need to download, just click on download here and it's going to start downloading the library. That's all. Thank you.